I want to share something really spectacular with you today. During the Christmas holidays, I was thrilled to visit the Abbotsbury Tropical Gardens during their illumination event. And it felt like I was walking inside a painting. It was amazing. It took my breath away. And as I became surrounded by the lights and the colours and the amazing shapes shining through the trees in the garden, and deep blues and glowing greens, velvet purples, unexpected combination that seemed to bypass thought and go straight to how I was feeling. It was amazing. It felt like I'd arrived in a dream, and it completely stopped me in my tracks. I was transformed. Inspiration on steroids. Endless possibilities of colour and atmosphere and emotions, allowing what I was looking at to spark those new possibilities rather than trying to recreate the scene itself. It completely aligned with the intuitive colour-led approach, which is at the heart of how I paint. And it's also what I explore inside the Heart and Soul Art Circle. It's a space for painting from instinct, curiosity, creativity, and connection. If this way of working resonates with you and you'd like to explore these new possibilities, the Heart and Soul Circle is currently open to try for free for 7 days. So I'll leave the link below. But now, simply enjoy this magnificent world of nature and colour, and I know that it will astound you. Isn't it just magnificent? Just an amazing experience. So as you leave this illuminated world, perhaps let the colours linger a bit and see what they invite you to create yourself. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, do please like and subscribe and maybe even share it so you can inspire others. So much love and Happy New Year. See you soon. Bye for now.